Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating and closely watched military developments of the decade. Israel, a nation known for rapid innovation and unmatched defense technology, is preparing a new generation of superweapons that could reshape the global battlefield by 2030. These systems represent a mixture of cutting-edge engineering, artificial intelligence, cyber dominance, and precision power designed to give Israel a decisive edge in any future conflict. What makes this topic so compelling is that Israel is not only creating weapons, it is designing complete ecosystems of military capability that integrate land, air, sea, space, and digital warfare into a single, seamless shield. As geopolitical tensions grow in the Middle East and beyond, understanding these technologies becomes essential for anyone interested in global defense trends. Israel's future military strategy revolves around overwhelming speed, perfect accuracy, and deep integration. Instead of relying solely on traditional firepower, Israel is building systems that think, adapt, and respond almost instantly. The focus is on reducing human decision time, improving survivability, and turning intelligence into action within seconds. These weapons are not only advanced on their own, but are designed to work as a network. Each one supports and strengthens the others. By 2030, this interconnected structure is expected to create a defense web so advanced that any incoming threat, be it drones, missiles, cyber attacks, or even stealth aircraft, can be detected, analyzed, and neutralized before it becomes a real danger. This new defense architecture is built on lessons from recent conflicts and emerging threats all over the world. The first major system shaping Israel's future is the push toward laser-based air defense. Israel is racing to perfect high-energy lasers capable of shooting down drones, rockets, mortars, and even advanced missiles at the speed of light. Unlike traditional interceptor missiles, lasers offer unlimited ammunition as long as there is electrical power. They operate silently, cost only a few dollars per shot, and can engage multiple threats simultaneously. Israel has been testing these capabilities in real battle environments and is rapidly improving range, accuracy, and weather resistance. By 2030, the country aims to deploy ground-based vehicle-mounted and air-based laser shields. These systems would form a protective bubble capable of intercepting mass drone swarms, long-range rockets, and precision-guided threats. For Israel, this technology is not just about saving money, it is about building a countermeasure that can break the economic advantage of low-cost enemy projectiles. A future where lasers dominate the battlefield is no longer science fiction, it is Israel's strategic reality. Alongside lasers, artificial intelligence is becoming a core component in Israel's defense ecosystem. Israel has been integrating AI into surveillance, target detection, electronic warfare, and even autonomous fire control. The goal is to convert massive amounts of battlefield data into instant actionable decisions. Future Israeli combat platforms will be able to identify threats, analyze behavior patterns, and lock onto targets with minimal human input. This creates a faster, more precise, and more efficient combat environment. AI-powered command systems could coordinate airstrikes, artillery, drones, and cyber operations simultaneously. Everything from frontline units to long-range missile systems will operate with real-time intelligence support. By 2030, Israel expects to field AI-driven autonomous vehicles, automated drone swarms, predictive threat analysis systems, and intelligent radar networks. These capabilities will allow Israel to stay one step ahead of enemy tactics, even in the most complex urban and electronic warfare environments. The third transformational superweapon involves next-generation drone warfare. Israel is already a global leader in UAV technology, but the next decade will see a shift toward swarm-controlled drones, long-endurance stealth drones, and AI-guided loitering munitions. Drone swarms will be capable of overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer numbers and coordinated movement. Each drone can communicate with the others, share targeting information, and adapt mid-mission. Some will be designed for reconnaissance, others for electronic disruption or precision strike roles. Israel is also investing heavily in high-altitude drones that can stay airborne for days or even weeks, creating a permanent eye in the sky. These platforms will integrate with satellites, ground sensors, and air defense systems to provide non-stop surveillance across entire regions. Loitering munitions, drones that wait over a target area until a perfect strike opportunity appears, are also becoming more advanced and more autonomous. By 2030, Israel aims to deploy drones that can independently choose HIVE-AL-U targets, evade defenses, and cooperate with manned aircraft. This shift toward autonomous aerial warfare reflects Israel's strategy of controlling the skies with minimal risk to pilots. Another emerging system is Israel's next-generation hypersonic and precision missile program. Although Israel rarely discusses these capabilities publicly, analysts believe major advancements are underway. Future Israeli missiles are expected to travel at extreme speeds, maneuver unpredictably, and strike with pinpoint accuracy. These weapons could be used to neutralize HIVE-AL-U enemy assets, long-range rocket sites, command centers, and radar installations. Hypersonic speed dramatically reduces enemy reaction time and makes interception extremely difficult. Israel is also focusing on improving its missile defense network to counter hypersonic threats from adversaries. By 2030, Israel is expected to field offensive and defensive missile systems operating in a hypersonic environment. These might include advanced versions of the Arrow system, high-speed interceptors, and long-range strike missiles capable of penetrating deep into enemy territory. Combined with AI-powered command systems, this missile network will give Israel rapid global reach capability. The fifth major component of Israel's 2030 military architecture is an advanced modernization of electronic and cyber warfare. Israel already has some of the most sophisticated cyber capabilities in the world, but the future battlefield requires deeper integration. Next-gen cyber systems will focus on real-time defense against enemy hacking attempts, disruption of enemy communications, and offensive cyber operations capable of shutting down critical infrastructure. Electronic warfare will also play a key role. Israel is developing powerful jamming systems that can blind enemy radars, interfere with missile guidance, and disable drones in mid-flight. Future Israeli vehicles, aircraft, and naval ships will carry onboard electronic warfare suites that can detect, deceive, and neutralize threats before they fully form. By 2030, Israel aims to merge cyber warfare with its traditional military systems to form a hybrid defense network capable of responding instantly to digital and physical attacks. This transformation is essential as future wars are expected to begin with cyber strikes before any physical weapons are launched. Additionally, Israel is preparing advanced upgrades to its armored forces. Future armored vehicles will be lighter, faster, more automated, and better protected. Systems like the next versions of the Merkava tank will feature 360-degree sensors, smart armor, active protection systems, and integration with drone support units. These vehicles will act as mobile command nodes, gathering intelligence and coordinating fire support while advancing through complex environments. Israel's ground forces are being redesigned to operate with maximum efficiency using fewer soldiers but far more technology. Robotic ground vehicles will scout ahead, carry supplies, detect mines, or even engage enemy units. These land systems will work directly with aerial drones, AI-guided artillery, and airborne assets. The Israeli Air Force is also developing future upgrades towards sixth-generation fighter concepts. These advanced aircraft will focus on deep integration with drones, advanced stealth shaping, long-range sensors, and AI-enhanced cockpit systems. By 2030, Israel plans to field a hybrid air fleet capable of conducting complex missions with manned and unmanned teams working side by side. These aircraft will be central to Israel's strategy of maintaining complete air superiority. The final layer of Israel's future military dominance comes from space-based capabilities. Israel is expanding its satellite network to improve reconnaissance, communication, missile tracking, and early warning systems. By 2030, Israel will likely operate an advanced constellation of satellites able to monitor threats in real time, detect missile launches instantly, and support long-range precision operations. Space superiority will ensure Israel maintains a strategic advantage in surveillance and global intelligence. When all these systems are combined, lasers, AI-driven networks, drone swarms, hypersonic capability, cyber dominance, future armored forces, advanced air power, and space-based intelligence, they form a unified superweapon ecosystem unmatched by most countries. This integrated approach is what sets Israel apart. It is not relying on one breakthrough, it is building a complete technological shield designed to defend against all forms of modern warfare. As we approach 2030, these emerging systems will redefine Israel's ability to respond to threats quickly, efficiently, and with extraordinary precision. The future battlefield will favor nations capable of merging speed, intelligence, and advanced technology into a single structure. Israel is shaping that future today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Israel's next generation superweapons, make sure to stay tuned for more military technology breakdowns.